Hey, Dan with Dent Specialist. Got a Jeep Wrangler that gets a common dent here. This one's already been, someone attempted to repair it, didn't turn out so well. We're gonna be repairing that, cleaning that up. But what those come from is when somebody takes the doors off these Jeeps come summertime, this, with the door strap undone, swings around and dents that right there. So I'm gonna be showing you how we repair this and kind of what to do to prevent getting that dent in your Jeep. Here's a little look at this Jeep Wrangler. You can see somebody did some work on it. It's kind of pushed up here, low there, high there, kind of left it really rough looking. We're gonna try and get that all cleaned up for the customer here that bought it before. They didn't have this done. They bought the Jeep like this, and we're gonna restore it back to original finish for them. The big thing is the strap right here. This little hook is what holds the door from opening all the way open. You can see how it catches right there, what only allows it to open so much, which keeps it from pulling on your wiring and keeps it from swinging around, putting that dent that I showed you earlier. All right, we got the strap pulled off, so all this is loose. You can see the door is a pretty neutral spot, not going either way, but it is loose. So I'm gonna show you how this can swing around and hit it now. And before, you see where it was stopped, but this would come around and hit that. And that's how those dents get put in these Jeeps, from this mirror. So be careful and have it to where your door sits level, or like I said, the front end's pointing up to prevent that from happening. Got the Jeep Wrangler dent completed. Let's take a look at it. Showing you the Jeep Wrangler after we repaired that poked up dent from the mirror that was in there. As you can see, it came out flawless. Customers should be really happy with us. They're on their way to pick it up right now.
Hey, my name's Jay Ross. I bought this 2015 Jeep, and when I bought it, it had a big old spot here where this mirror hit it, and somebody else, I think, had tried to fix it somewhere along the line, messed it up, but as you can see now, it looks like nothing ever happened. Had one on the other side, looked perfect, better than I could hope for. Awesome, awesome job.